OnePlus began rolling out the Android 11 update to its smartphone. The OnePlus Nord earlier this month, but it has now had to temporarily pause the update due to a number of bugs with the software. A staff member revealed on the forum that they had to pause the update after multiple users posted they had received the notification for the update earlier before it was no longer available. Users who have received the update have complained of issues, battery drain, slow charging, and broken app locker that prevents them from accessing their locked apps. When manufacturers roll out update to their devices, they do it in stages, starting first with a small batch before a wider rollout. The reason for this stage rollout is so that they can limit the number of users that are affected in a case where the update has bugs and it needs to be halted. We expect OnePlus to fix the issues soon and resume the rollout. So if you have not received the update yet, don't fret or try to grab the update from an unofficial source. Subscribe now my YouTube channel, like, comment and share now, and thanks for watching.